In recent years, it has been a surge of interest in jobs where you can work from home. Not just from individuals, but also from the employers, who are realizing that there are lots of benefits in creating roles that allow employees to work off-site. By 2028, 73% of all departments will have remote workers, according to a study by Upwork, and that finding came before COVID-19 forced companies to experiment with remote work on a broad scale. Both sides are realizing that in many cases, you don't need to be in the same geographical location as your office is, or even in the same time zone, says Mark Silverman, the CEO of Amava, a member website that connects people with work-from-home jobs and volunteer opportunities. What are those 15 super cool jobs you can definitely do remotely in 2023? Let's talk about it today. Hello my friends, I'm Anna, and actually I work remotely since 2019. And those were the best years of my life. It doesn't just save a lot of your time and money on commute, but also make you able to start your side hustle. Some ideas of which we already discussed in my previous videos. But today, let's talk about 15 official jobs you can definitely do remotely, especially in 2023. If you are hoping to work from home, there are plenty of jobs available, requiring a variety of skills and also different experience levels. And many of them pay comparable salaries to full-time on-site jobs. Number one, and customer care or member service representative. Customer care or service representatives answer clients' questions, solve their problems, and help them with their orders over the phone or digitally. And it's one of the easiest work-from-home jobs to break into. Most entry-level reps earn about $12 per hour, but more experienced reps making about $15.5 per hour, with an average in this industry hourly rate $14. However, this position is not as flexible as some of the others work from home jobs. For instance, if your shift is from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., you are expected to be on call for that entire time. Number two, and website tester. Website testers access website and web applications for quality and visibility on many multiple devices, including desktops, laptops, and mobile devices. Testers visit a website or use an app, complete a few tasks, and share their insights. They give their honest feedback on usability and clarity, as well as their engagement level with the content. The average hourly rate is $25. To find work, you can sign up with a number of different websites, including user testing, userlytics, and startup lift. Number three, and online educator. Similar to traditional teachers, online educators provide instructions for specific subjects, prepare lesson plans, and monitor student progress. This position is perfect for anyone with teacher's degree and a specific skill like a fluency in any foreign language. You will teach a class via an online platform like Zoom or Google Meet. Positions include not just kindergarten through 12th grade, but also college and continuing education in all subject areas. Most positions pay about $25 per hour, but you can make as much as $100 or $200 per hour if you do one-to-one classes. Number four, and virtual assistant. Virtual assistants are doing everything from scheduling appointments to conducting research. Some positions focus predominantly on administrative tasks like maintaining calendars and schedules and invoicing clients, while others require some experience in copywriting and social media management. These positions pay on average $15 per hour, but can go up to $20 per hour for the candidates with public relations duties, writing and editing, and social media skills. Most virtual assistants work directly with several clients at the same time. Number five, and Captioner. Captionist transcribe pre-recorded audio or video. So typing quickly and accurately is the key skill for this job. You can also sign up to capture live television programs, though many people who do this have also worked as court reporters and use a stenotype machine with a phonetic keyboard and a special software to ensure accuracy. Captioners earn on average about $14 per hour. You can sign up with agencies like Ref or Upwork to find the jobs, or you can look for openings at specific companies such as Caption Media Group or Caption Max. Number six, and transcriptionist. Transcriptionists listen to voice recordings and convert them into documents. Medical and law offices use transcriptionists to type out dictated notes from doctors or lawyers. Most firms require an understanding of medical terms and practices and also ability to use law jargon. Beginning transcriptionists are usually making about $13 per per hour, but more experienced transcriptionists can make about $20 per hour. Number 7, and SEO Specialist. A SEO or search engine optimization specialist analyzes, reviews, and implements changes on the website to maximize the number of people visiting that website and improve the site's rank on search engines. Most positions require at least 1 year of experience and familiarity with industry SEO tools and techniques like Google Analytics and website building platforms like Squarespace. Most SEO specialists earn between $13 and $27 per hour. Number 8, and online therapist. Online therapists provide mental health support in real time through different digital platforms like video conferencing, phone calls, or text messaging. You will need to have a master's degree in psychology or social work and unrestricted license to practice online. So there is an upfront investment here, but there is an increasing demand for telehealth services that connect patients and healthcare providers. Most online therapists make from $18 to $45 per hour. Number 9, and Proofreader. A proofreader ensures that a written content is free of grammatical, spelling, punctuation, and formatting errors. If you have a great attention to detail and are familiar with AP Style Book and the Chicago Manual of Style, you can make an average of about $18 per hour. Proofreading for advertising articles, websites, public relations firms, and textbook writers. This work is extremely flexible and can be done at your own schedule, provided you meet the deadline for proofreading the document. Number 10, and survey taker. A number of companies will pay you to take surveys to give them your honest opinion about games, movies, consumer products, and general interest topics. Payment ranges from $1 to $20 per complete survey. There is a number of companies you can sign up with to take your surveys, including 2020 Research. Number 11, and mobile notary. A notary public acts as a representative of the state to certify the proper execution of the documents, such as real estate transactions, power of attorney, and prenuptial agreements. If you're certified as a public notary, you can also get certified, bonded, and insured as a mobile notary. If you don't feel comfortable inviting strangers to your home, you can always offer them to meet at their office, in the hospital, or any other location. The average pay here is about $15 per hour, but ranges from $10 to $24 in most cases. Number 12, and virtual bookkeeper. If you have any experience in invoicing the clients, running payrolls, or managing accounts, you can easily find a virtual bookkeeping position by contracting directly with a local company or signing up with an agency like a Bookminders. Many companies require a bachelor degree in accounting and knowledge of QuickBooks. Most virtual bookkeeping positions pay from $16 to $25 per hour. Number 13, and medical coder. This position will require you to become a certified professional coder to accurately read a patient's medical chart, analyze it, determine their diagnosis, and then categorize the diagnosis and medical procedures according to a national classification system that enables physicians to submit medical claims and insures. The average hourly rate is about $15.5 per hour. You can contact directly your local physician office or reach out to associations of professional coders to find a job. Number 14, and marketing consultant. If you have experience in digital marketing or branding, you can help companies create coordinated marketing campaigns using SEO, email marketing, social media, and more. Payment here varies greatly from $14 per hour to $102 per hour for most work, depending on your experience and your proven track record as a marketer. Number 15, and web developer. More technology companies are moving their positions from office to flexible or remote roles. If you have your bachelor degree in computer science or a related field, or completed your bootcamp program, or have any other comparable programming experience, you can look for full-time job listings that offer flexible and remote work locations. The average pay here from $12 to $44 per hour. Wait, I also have a few quick tips for you to land that work from home job. With an increasing number of people seeking for flexible hours or roles, the application process is getting more and more competitive. There are also plenty of online scams posing as work from home opportunities that you need to be aware of. Here is exactly what you need to do to land that work from home job and avoid the scams. First, and apply quickly. The key to being hired for one of those work from home positions is to apply as soon as the position is posted. It is not unusual unusual for 100 or even 150 people to apply for this job opportunity to respond to the job advertising within the first hour it was posted. Number 2, and make your work from home skills shine. Employees who work from home should be self-starters and also highly motivated. So make sure when you apply for that remote position, those skills are highlighted, and any other soft skills you have that prove that you are ready to work independently. Call attention to your talent of keeping track of your own productivity and proactively asking for help. For example, your cover letter might say, "When I encounter challenges, I seek out solutions rather than waiting for the problem to solve itself." And then include an example. Although many candidates who apply for work from home positions are caregivers and parents, there is no reason to focus on that fact when you respond to job posting. Instead, highlight why you are the best person to fill that role from the company's perspective. Just remember, the main reason why many companies hire remotely is because they cannot find the talent locally. They're trying to save money, but also they might be looking for someone who is exceptionally good at their job. Number 3, and avoid scams. Before you apply for this position, just make sure that it's a legitimate online job with an actual company. Even if it's the company you've never heard of, you should be able to find information about this company and look up some reviews of the company online. In other words, you always need to make sure that this company has a digital footprint beyond something they create themselves, like LinkedIn profile or company's website. The most important thing, you should never ever pay any money for applying for any job position or to start a job. Make sure you understand exactly how you will be paid and how often. And always trust your gut. If you feel that something is wrong with this position, just don't go ahead with it. So, what would be your favorite remote job position and why? Why would you like to move remotely? Please let me know in the comments down below. And for now, thank you so much for being with me today, guys. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye for now.